Hi, welcome to Pine Hollow's 10-minute field trips. My name is Anita Sanchez, and we're going to be taking some field trips to some places you might not expect. So come on and explore. Today's field trip is to a school grounds, Elsmere Elementary School, and we're going to take a look at a part of the schoolyard you probably never pay much attention to, the lawn. It's under our feet. We literally walk all over it every day. The really cool thing about this lawn is that it has all kinds of other plants besides grass in it. That's really great because it means that they have not used herbicides, which are strong poisons that kill plants that you might not want in your lawn. Some people like a lawn that's pure grass, but I really like a lawn that's got some clover and violets and other kinds of plants in it. I don't even mind a dandelion or two. I'm sure you've seen these before, dandelion seed balls. These are fun to play with, but they're also really good food for birds. I've seen birds called goldfinches sitting on dandelion stalks and eating all those seeds. Each dandelion has about 200 seeds on it. And they're arranged in this really beautiful pattern. Over by the edge of the lawn is where some really interesting plants hang out. This is a place with a lot of shelter, so this is a good spot for squirrels or chipmunks to hide, for bugs to lay eggs, for birds to look for food. And there's usually a huge diversity of plants along the edge of a lawn. Diversity means all different kinds of living things. And look at the diversity here. Beautiful purple flowers. There's Virginia creeper. There's those big leaves of burdock. There's honeysuckle. There's grapevines. A diversity of plants. These flowers are called ground ivy. Some people call them gill over the ground because they spread across the lawn. I think they're really pretty. Here's another really beautiful little flower. That's called stitchwort. And of course, that's a dandelion next to it. Even the bare patches in the lawn aren't necessarily bad. People might think they don't look pretty, but these are places where seeds can germinate, and birds can come and maybe grab a beakful of mud to use to build their nests, or ants can build their house. So a lawn doesn't have to be all solid grass to be interesting. I came across this patch of dirt in the grass. There's holes in it. Looks like it might be an ant village. The ants won't bother me and I won't bother them. I'm just going to observe what they're doing. Ants are always busy. They always seem to be doing something. looking for some food to store up for winter. They've got many doors that lead down to their underground chambers. They have many tunnels underneath the ground. Unfortunately, we're too big to fit down there. We'll just have to watch and wonder what they're doing. Look at all the seeds on the lawn here. These are the seeds of maple trees. They're great for squirrels and birds to eat. They're also great to play with. If you take one of these and throw it up in the air, see that blade there? It looks like a helicopter blade. The seed will fly to the ground like it's a miniature helicopter. Just imagine how many blades of grass there are in a single lawn. You couldn't count them if you took a year. Let's take a look at one of my favorite types of flower, clover. Clover makes for a nice thick lawn. It's really comfy to sit on. And who knows, if you look close enough, you might find a four-leaf clover, which, as everyone knows, is very good luck. There are so many clover flowers, it doesn't matter if you pick one. They smell really nice. And if you look at one really, really closely, you'll see it's not just one flower, it's actually many flowers all clustered together. That's so when pollinators, like bees, are looking for flowers, they'll see this big cluster of flowers all stuck together, and they'll go, wow, must be a lot of nectar down there. Bees love clover flowers, and they take it back to their hive to make clover honey. Oh, litter. That's one thing we don't want to see on the lawn. Usually lawns get mowed, of course. Sometimes, though, little bits of the lawn gets left behind and isn't mowed. And a little clump of tall grass like this can be a whole habitat for all kinds of creatures. Thanks for exploring. See you next time.